Africa is rich in wildlife. It is home to more than 2,000 species of birds. And this information has nothing to do with the scenes which you're watching on your screen. This is not Africa. This is Karachi. Karachi is a metropolitan city which is expanding rapidly and evolving into a concrete jungle. Besides all the hustle bustle, traffic, dust, heat, and pollution, there's an entirely different and serene world at the coast of the city. Yes, the coastal belt of Karachi, stretching far and wide, provides home to numerous local birds which can be seen all year round. During winter, thousands of migratory birds flying from Russia and Siberia opt for a warm climate and land on our seashores. Right from Mubarak village to Port Qasim and beyond, more than 120 different species of local and migratory birds have been recorded along the coast of Karachi. The birds which can be found throughout the year are herons, egrets, cormorants, gulls, terns, stilts, grebes, and lapwings. Flamingos, the most fascinating birds of our coastline, are also believed to be seen almost throughout the year. However, young pairs temporarily move to the breeding ground in the Rann of Kutch soon after the heavy monsoon rain. They come back after a few months with their new offsprings and can be seen in large flocks near the mangrove forests spread along the coast. From early August, many small and large flocks of migratory waders are seen landing near the seashores. These birds include curlews, godwits, shanks, ruffs, sandpipers, plovers, stilts, stints, and dunlins. Glossy ibises can also be observed munching in and around shallow waters. Ducks have always been an appealing character for nature lovers around the world. The mangrove vegetation along the coast offers boarding and lodging facilities for a variety of migratory duck species. The green-winged teal is the most common duck that arrives on a coast in large numbers in the early days of the winter season. Other ducks like mallards, shovelers, common shelducks, gadwalls, garganys, and pintails also spend peak winters at our warm shores. Large waterbirds like pelicans and painted storks are also found in the tidal mudflats during winter. In the early days of their arrival, you will find most of the migratory birds constantly preening their feathers, something which they feel is crucial for getting overhauled after a long, harsh flight. To enjoy the best of nature and wildlife, which the City of Lights is blessed with, one must have a good pair of binoculars and possibly even a decent camera with zooming capability for maintaining a bird watching record. A well-suited tripod is mandatory to make a steady and smooth video clip. Wild birds are cautious and can be quite elusive. Getting a close and clear shot often becomes a challenge unless you camouflage yourself properly or use a natural hide while ensuring limited movement. And remember that silence is a virtue which is also valued by birds while they judge us humans. These birds are beautiful creatures and a treat for the eyes of an exhausted soul, which often is a witness to the crowded buildings, smoke, dust, and haze on the horizon of a typical metropolis.